In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a team workspace in Notion. To get started, open Notion and create a new workspace for your team. This gives everyone a central place to collaborate, share information, and stay organized. When you create the workspace, choose a name that clearly reflects your team or department so it is easy to recognize later. A well-named workspace helps avoid confusion, especially if you manage more than one. Once the workspace is ready, create a main team dashboard or wiki page. Think of this as the home base for everyone. This page should give your team a clear starting point whenever they open Notion. It can act as a navigation hub, making it easier for people to find the most important pages without digging through the sidebar. After that, build out sections for projects, documents, tasks, and team resources. These sections help separate different types of information so the workspace stays clean and manageable. For example, projects can hold active work, documents can store internal notes or process information, tasks can track action items, and team resources can contain reference materials your team uses often. Keeping these categories distinct makes the workspace much easier to understand at a glance. Next, invite your team members into the workspace. Bringing everyone in early helps make the workspace collaborative from the beginning. As you do this, be mindful of who actually needs access so the space stays secure and relevant to the right people. Once your team is invited, set the correct permissions for each person. This is an important step because not everyone needs the same level of access. Some people may need editing permissions, while others may only need to view certain pages. Setting permissions carefully helps protect important information and prevents accidental changes. Now create shared databases for tasks, meetings, and updates. Shared databases are one of the most useful parts of Notion because they give your team a structured way to track ongoing work and communication. A task database keeps responsibilities visible. A meetings database helps store agendas and notes. And an updates database gives the team a place to share progress in one consistent format. After that, organize your pages in the sidebar so everything is easy to find. A clear sidebar structure saves time and reduces frustration. Group related pages together and place the most frequently used pages where they are easy to access. Finally, review the workspace regularly to keep it clean and useful. As your team grows and changes, your Notion setup should evolve too. Removing outdated pages, updating key information, and refining the structure will help ensure the workspace continues to support your team effectively.